So I started unboxing this King Kong duffel, and man, when I started to open it up, I was like, I gotta show you guys, all right? KNKG stands for King Kong. You open this thing up, look at the inside of the packaging, packed for greatness. That's pretty damn tight. But what I wanna show you is this wood box, man. This thing is super nice. Let's get into this thing together. This definitely takes the cake far as the nicest packaging that I've ever received far as a bag. All right, built to work hard. KNG on the top of it. It's very nice, it's heavy as hell. Got these latches. You open it up and it lays flat. And here's the duffel. We'll check that out. What else do you get? Oh yeah, I got the packing dividers. Those are really nice. And I got a nice little keychain laying here. It looks like some leather. It's super nice, right? So you get all of that. I think the packing cubes are extra purchase, but we'll check those out too. But I'm pretty sure the duffel bag comes with the keychain and also this wallet in there. It's definitely nice. Nice leather wallet. Let's check out the wallet real quick. Okay, pebble leather wallet, nice. KNG on the wallet, King Kong, and you got multiple slots. Looks like about 6 card slots, and then a place in the back for money. Simple, but an extra when you purchase the duffel. So I don't mind extras. I like extras. So you get this nice wood box. That's enough for me, for real. But let's check out the duffel. That's the main thing. We'll move the box out of the way. So this is the King Kong core wax canvas, and the wax canvas is from Holly Stevenson. This is definitely a really nice dark brown. It's a heavy duty wax canvas on the outside. Got a really good look, a nice sheen to it. You got some pebble leather accents. We're gonna walk through this thing because I think it's pretty cool. Now, if you're not familiar with King Kong, they're definitely more leaning towards like the workout crowd, you know? So this is a workout kind of bag, and it does have a couple of features that I'm gonna show you up front for your workouts, right? So if you're carrying fluids, like carrying your water bottles, there's some nice water bottle pockets right here in the front with some elastic in there. You got 2 of them right here, and then you have a small little zipper pocket right here in the front, probably a good size for like a wallet or something like that. So one of the cool features of this bag, on the sides they have these little daisy chain loops, but they got Velcro behind them, so you can pull this Velcro and you can wrap your waist belt through the Velcro and then into this slot in the front. There's a little opening right here, so you can run your waist belt through there. For you guys, my squat guys, my deadlift guys, you could definitely do that. Now, that's kind of some of the main features. As far as the quality of this, it's pretty solid. I would say that. One thing that I did notice is, one thing that I check with duffel bags a lot is like, do the handle straps go all the way down and around the back? I don't think they do. They're box stitched right here. So it's a decent way to carry the load. I don't think these handles are coming out anytime soon, but I do like that extra support when they run it around the bag. So you do have YKK zippers on this duffel. They do have some nice like leather trim pieces or nice leather pull tabs there. So you do have places where you can store your items on the outside. So this side is just a nice simple pocket. You got a little mesh in there, and you do see that ripstop lining. And then on the other end of the bag, you don't have those bungee loops, but you have an outside pocket right here, and you got a nice place to store whatever you want as far as your, to keep things separated. And then this larger end is where you put your dirty clothes. These zippers like are number 5 YKK zip. So you can open this section up a little bit wider. And you can stick your dirty clothes or some shoes down in there. That's usually the end for, on the duffels, on the gym duffels, where you can get your wet clothes out of the main section of the bag. Nobody wants the funky clothes in their main section. On the back side, it's really just plain. Nothing really going on the back side or the bottom. We just have the nice wax canvas. on the bottom and back. So this has like the U-shaped opening on the top. You got dual white KK zippers with those nice zipper pulls. They are like a painted zipper. So then you open the lid up. You do have 2 pockets on the lid where you can store some additional items. Nice mesh in here. It's pretty damn durable, actually. I like that single zip. So 2 pockets. And then when you look into the main section, I don't feel like you're getting robbed at all for your 35 liters. I think you're getting every part of your 35 liters in this bag. It's pretty massive. But you do have some extra organization in here. That's really surprising. You got a place back here for your laptop. 13-inch laptop is what King Kong says will fit in there. And you do have some additional pockets on this side, on the wall side. So just some simple slip pockets where you can slip in items maybe you want to carry. One thing about this bag, this ripstop material in the interior, I wish this was a little bit heavier. It's okay, but it's not the heaviest ripstop. I would have liked to seen like a 410D interior ripstop. That would have just inspired a little bit more confidence, especially because they spent so much on the exterior waxed canvas on this bag. Again, like I said, 35 liters. This is way more than I need to go to the gym. Let's check out the other accessories. Like we were checking out the keychain. Nice little keychain. If you made it this far in the video, I want to let you know I'm giving this bag away to you guys. Merry Christmas, right? So, and the wallet, we already showed the wallet. It's pretty damn nice. How about the extra organization? This is something that when I saw, I was like, all right, this is definitely different and definitely inspiring for people that are putting duffel bags together or duffel bag companies. I like these type of separators, right? You got 3 separate sections where you can kind of organize your stuff in it. So you put this inside of your duffel to separate your items. So maybe this one is for your dry clothes, maybe this is for your water bottles and workout gear stuff, jump rope, whatever. You can lay this right inside of the duffel. And since it's like an accordion, you know, like an accordion, it goes in and then you can kind of spread it out. And that's a great thing. So now, instead of just having a massive opening where all your stuff kind of runs into, this is from OCD people, right? You have a massive opening where stuff is kind of jumbled. You got organization built into even a smaller, I consider this a medium-sized to small duffel bag. So this is definitely a win. And I think that it's universal. Like you could probably put this in a lot of different duffel bags, and they're Velcro. So if you don't need all 3 of them, you can separate them and just use like one of them, right? And stick them in your duffel bag, and then have the rest of the sections free. But if you need all 3 of them, they'll fit in this duffel bag, and I'm sure they'll fit in any other duffel bag of similar dimensions, right? I think that this is a win. You know, definitely a win. And as we're starting like our New Year's resolutions, I'm going to get back in the gym a little bit more. That's what I'm promising to myself. King Kong did a great job with this. Let's talk about the grab handle. Pretty simple. We got a continuation of that wax canvas grab handle, simple snaps. And then what about the shoulder strap? Shoulder strap is pretty nice. Look, I wish it was wider. That would be one thing. A little bit short on the shoulder strap. I mean, it's got to hit your shoulder just about right to kind of get that pad on there. I wish that pad was just a little bit wider and longer. But continuation of wax canvas looks really good. This is a winner. So if you want to win this, I'm going to give this away. Merry Christmas to you guys. All you got to do is leave a comment down at the video, a couple of days, like a week. I'll choose a comment, and this will be yours. I'll ship it out to you on my dime, courtesy of King Kong, because it did provide it to me to do the review. I think it's a pretty damn nice duffel bag. And the price, $270 right now. It's on sale. It's like Christmas time right now. So $270 right now, it's $219. $219 is a good deal, $50 off of this. And you look pretty